Okay, so this is my first video with me speaking, and I'm going to be playing Attack on Titan Revenge. You might have seen my video, Attack on Titan Downfall, I doubt it, because I'm obviously not good at YouTube, but still, I'm going to play and upload this, and yeah. And this time, I try not to die, because that mission is pretty easy. But then I hate the crawlers, because they're well hard. Did I do it? No. God damn it. Oh, no. It's a crawler. Ah, what the hell? No. Oh, thanks, not safe. Oh my god, he did that very safe. Did that rarely. He's lucky he did that, and somehow I escaped from that. What the hell? It's so I'm gonna do this, and this time I'm trying not to die. But some missions are hard, but that mission was an easy one, and I still died because I'm terrible at this game. It's harder than the other one I played. I'm not that good at this one either. It's really hard. I'm sorry if you can hear my clicks on my keyboard, but you're gonna have to cope with it. This isn't gonna get any much views anyway, so people won't mind. So you can see it. But some people might. Oh my god, that looks like Kenneki from Tokyo Ghoul. Well, sore throat. What the heck is this, bruh? Oh no, don't give me a like. No. Ah, thank god. Oh, no. Are you serious? Yep, I'm first. It might just be the game. Oh, what the? Yeah, it's just a game. No, this one's hard. But I did it with 2 people once. Oh my god. Where's my horse? Horse, come here. Let me get on your back. Fast horse. Come here, boy. You spank them and they go faster. No, that's just weird. That's just very weird. Blech. Okay, let's go. How many people are even here? Yep, we're dead. Probably. Maybe. I don't even know. Let's go MVP on this. Or we'll attack mode. It kind of looks like a unicorn. Face it this way. Unicorn. Someone left the horse. They're gonna run out of gas very soon because they left the horse unless they got on someone else's horse. This game's pretty hard, to be honest. But I've seen hard games. There's this one hobby that trolled people. That was impossible to actually do. And a lot of people are trying to complete it. And no one even did. Because it's impossible. Maybe not impossible, just really hard. Let's go to this. I don't care if I die in this because it's pretty hard, so it's gonna let my horse go in. 3, 2, Screw that. Oh, my horse. What the? Oh, I died faster than I thought. Ah. Oh, you tried to save me. That's okay. But somehow he went like this and went bam, got your boy. That's what he did. Put his hand from behind. Got me. Dumb. I'm just gonna screw that. There. Nope. There. Go. That's gonna be a full one. I don't play it. This is so much people. Whatever mission we have, we're definitely completing it. And if it's at 90% one, then that mission is going to be easy. Super easy. Unless you die trying to save someone else. Let's do this. If you guys leave a like, I might do a part 2 of this with me speaking again. Of course. Jesus Christ, it's stuck in my toe. Oh no, not this one. Again. Oh, guess I'm gonna die in this one too. Actually no, I'll just try to survive. I'll try. Where am I? Oh, yeah. I got a horsey. I got a fast horse. By the way, if you're wondering who the little unicorn is, that's a person that's called Lucy, who's in the downfall with me. And in the next video, I might play Bloxburg with her. Yeah. Basic. And I might get some of my other friends. I might call them and they can talk in the video too. Oh, and someone's back home. Dun 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 dun. I shall die in this mission. Alright. If I die in this mission, I'm gonna end the video. But I'm just gonna try to get some kills. And then I'll get like some kills and then just end the video. And then yeah, be done. Well, if I can even get any kills, because they'll grab me from behind like that, I'll run it. Because I'm hack. Get my horse going. I don't care about my horse, you can die. Oh, come on fast, come on in fast. Nope, not an bird. Not deal with them. Hey, you come here. Oh my god. Die. I got a kill. Oh, I can even escape though. Save him! No. Ah! What the hell? Oh no. Well, now I'm dead. Unless this dude goes. Whoa. Oh, now I'm dead. Whoa, these people are kind of there trying to save me from again. Oh, well. You know what? Screw it. Run. Run. Screw this. Someone toss. They need that. They need the house. Got it. They need the house, don't they? Oh, we're MVP in this, bro. Got 2 kills. What the hell? Crawler. It's a crawler. And I'm dead. What the hell? Who is this? No, don't die. No. How come? I can't save people, I'm terrible. Yep, terrible. Absolutely terrible. Oh, you stepped on me, bro. Right. That's gonna be the end of the video.